welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday! My name is Andrea, and in today's video I'm gonna trim my bangs. Before I get started, I hope you all are having a great Sunday or whatever day of the week that you guys decide to watch this. I want to talk a little bit about my hair. I do have a hairdresser who cuts my hair about every 6 months. She did say whenever I needed a bang trim that I could give her a call, but I just don't have the time, and it's just a little bit out of my way. But for my haircut, I will always be there, I promise. But for the bangs, I think I'm gonna attempt to do them myself. They are grown out, and I was almost gonna leave them grown out and just kind of have them swoop, but I like my bangs, and I kind of feel, I like the way they make me feel. I don't know. You know, when you have a certain haircut and you like the way it makes you feel, you like the way it makes you look, that's how I feel about my bangs. So they are super grown out, as you can see, and I showed her a picture of what I wanted when she did them, and she got it spot on. But they are, so you can tell, I mean, they're grown out now, but they were shorter in the middle and they just kind of come out, and she cut them so perfectly. I know it won't be as good as hers because, yeah, I just know it won't, but I mean, I can give it a shot. I don't want to take them too short, but I mean, clearly they're really long right now. And when I put my glasses on, oh, you can see my ring light. When I put my glasses on, like, even that doesn't stop them from getting in the way. So yeah, I just wanted to trim them. And again, just like in my current bang video, don't follow me. This is not a tutorial. This is just, again, you watching me cut my bangs. If you want to join me and cut your own bangs at home, more power to you. You don't have to follow me, okay? So they're already, I'm just gonna go off of like how they're already sectioned. I don't think I'm missing any other hair. Oh, look, am I? So I'm gonna just see, just clean the line up a bit, see what I'm missing. This obviously does not go there. Okay, it's a little bit better. Yeah, I hope you all are having a great Sunday. And I hope you all are enjoying my videos. Thank you for 1,200 subscribers. Y'all are great. Seriously, you guys are so awesome. All right, well, my child is awake, but we're just gonna power through this. And hopefully I don't mess it up. I'm not taking a lot off, so I mean, it should be fine. It's hair, it'll grow back. So I have him propped up watching a cartoon, drinking a bottle. So I'm gonna try to do this successfully. I'm gonna spray my bangs down really quick. I have my shears. My bangs are sprayed. And I'm just gonna take a little bit off at a time. If you are doing this at home, not that I'm telling you to, if you're doing this at home, just take off a little bit at a time. I mean, again, not me telling you to, not a tutorial, but a little bit at a time. And what I'm gonna do is grab this middle section, comb it out, kind of see, okay, so it's angled a little bit. So that's my middle section. These sections are longer off to the side. And I paid close attention to when she cut my hair because I knew I would be cutting my bangs again, you know, on my own. Just for the sake of the drive. I just don't, I never go over there where I cut my hair, so, unless I cut my hair, so. Now, if you look closely, let me see, how can I show you? there's an angle. So I'm just gonna snip off a little bit of that right there. Keep it angled. So let's see how I am going to do this. And this is just the way I want to cut my bangs because I loved the way when she cut mine, how they fell. So I'm just gonna, right in front of me. Oh my God, this always makes me so nervous. Oh my God, just a little bit. And I'm point cutting. You can't even see me cutting like that. I know I have to cut way more than that, but to start, I need to go way more. My hair is so long. It grows so fast. It's not fair. My hair grows way too fast. I'm gonna cut again. Maybe you guys can see where I'm cutting. Yeah, I'm just going for it. Yeah. Don't even know how it's gonna turn out. Don't even know if it's gonna be even. But it's fine. We're getting there. So I'm pretty much just gonna keep doing this until they get to the length that I want them to be, keeping in mind that when they do dry, they're gonna, you know, shrink up a little bit. So just gonna keep going. And pray to the gods that my hair turns out all right. I think I'm gonna cut like that much more off and just see how it goes. Ooh. Try to angle them. It's different doing it on yourself than if I was to do it on someone else. Okay. Do I want to go shorter? I think I'm just gonna go a little bit shorter, just a little bit. Just like the tiniest bit shorter. But they're getting there. God, this is not a good technique that I'm using, but it's getting there. What are you guys doing on this fine Sunday? Do you all go to church? Do you guys go to church? Okay. I think that's good as far as the length, like the middle goes, because I do want them longer on the outside. This is surprisingly going pretty well. Clearly we have a disconnect, and I am going to try and, you know, just make it flow. So I'm gonna split that in half. This is just me showing you what I'm doing, okay? So you guys can understand. So you see that big disconnect? I'm gonna angle this off to the side. And I'm kind of gonna, actually, I'm gonna slide cut a little bit, but I just need my hair to be a little bit more wet. Because I don't want to just go in there and chop it all off, but I'll do that. Just kind of sliding my shears against the hair so that it can be one. So it's getting there. I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing. And actually, I don't even know if I'll be able to do the same thing on the other side because I have a hard time slide cutting the opposite way. And these shears aren't that sharp. ever so slightly until it makes more sense, until it flows better. Okay, that's fine. If they're a little bit, they're gonna be like straight across and then down, and that is fine with me. So as you can see, I connected it a little bit more than what it was before, and I'm just gonna leave it like that because honestly don't want to do too much, and I don't particularly care if it's not like perfect. That's just me. So let me spray this other side really quick. Whoa. Split it down the middle. I think that's just baby hair. Okay. So I'm gonna bring this off to the side. We got a disconnect and we are going to connect it. I have a longer piece in there that I'm gonna cut. And since I can't slide cut this side, I'm just gonna like trim upwards, make it connect that way. Check my sides. This one might actually use a little bit longer. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. So they are all cut for the most part. I'm just gonna check that there's no like big disconnects. Maybe do a little point cutting. Make it a little. Okay, I'm gonna style them really quick and see where we're at. I have my little round brush, I got my blow dryer. I will put it on a lower setting. I'm not trying to get like that big of a bump in them, but I do need them dry so I can finish texturizing, maybe take some weight out of them and see how I like them. So I'm gonna blow dry them really quick. These bangs are banging. Okay. I like them. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do, and this is important for me because I have a lot of hair, I'm gonna go ahead and texturize them a little bit just because they're so blunt and like, you know, they're blunt. So I'm just gonna grab them. They are blunt. They are thick. They're just a little bit too perfect for me, so I'm gonna grab them like this and just kind of go in. I will do my best to show you what I'm doing. I'm gonna go up and as best as I can because I'm looking directly in front of me. Point cut. Really get in there. Really, I want to get in there and take a lot of weight out. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this until I like where they're at. So you see how they went from like, they're very bangy. You see how they went from like straight blend across, now they're a little bit wispy? That's what I was looking for. And I did cut them shorter than I maybe should have, but it will grow back. It's fine. I'm really not worried about it. They're also very like, there's a lot of volume in there. I think I'm just gonna leave them like that. I don't really want to do too much to them. Let me put on my glasses, see how they are with my glasses. Oh yeah, so much better. Man, all you can see is that ring light in my glasses. All right, this is the final look. I hope, if anything, I just provided you guys with like some tips and tricks. They will settle a little bit, they'll be more flat. Give you guys a little bit of a closer look at my bangs. See, they're wispy. I love them like this. On me personally, I do not like them cut straight across, so that is gonna do it for me. All right, you guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want to, and I will see you all next Sunday. Bye. Come here. Look it. Look it. What's this? You want to say hi? This is my baby. Do you say hi? Or do you want to say bye? Want to comb? There you go. Whoa, look at all that hair. Look, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Say hi. No, no, no. Leave all that hair alone. Leave all of it alone. All right. Bye, guys. I will see you all next Sunday. That is dangerous for you to have. Ooh. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.